Greetings guys, you're tuned into the second video in the Fast Track to Gains series from Iron Impact. Last time, we laid the foundation for your fitness journey, introducing you to the world of workouts and proper nutrition. Today, we're leveling up, focusing on the crucial step of setting achievable goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique. It's all about short-term and long-term goals that will keep you motivated and on track. So brace yourselves as we dive into the art of goal setting. Now, you might wonder, why set short-term goals? Isn't the big picture enough? Well, let's break it down, shall we? Imagine you're on a long road trip. Your final destination is hundreds of miles away. You wouldn't just drive non-stop, would you? Along the way, you would make pit stops, refuel, stretch your legs, maybe even grab a snack. These little breaks are like your short-term goals. They provide immediate satisfaction and motivation, making the journey less daunting and more enjoyable. Short-term goals help maintain focus. They're like the stepping stones that bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. They break down your long-term goal into manageable chunks, making the task seem less overwhelming and more achievable. But how do you set achievable short-term goals? Well, let's introduce you to the SMART criteria. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's say your long-term goal is to build a muscular physique. A SMART short-term goal could be, I will work out for 45 minutes 4 days a week for the next month. It's specific and measurable. You can track your progress. It's achievable and realistic. You're not setting yourself up for failure. It's relevant. It aligns with your long-term goal. And it's time-bound. You have a clear timeline to work within. Remember guys, it's the small victories that lead to the big wins. While short-term goals are about the battle, long-term goals are about the war. They are your ultimate vision. You see, long-term goals are those big, ambitious targets. Those dreams that make you leap out of bed every morning. They are the vision of your future self, the peak of your fitness mountain. Imagine standing on the top of that mountain. Picture your dream physique. See it clearly in your mind's eye. That's your long-term goal. That's your fitness vision. Now, how do you get there? One step at a time. Long-term goals are not achieved overnight. They are the culmination of many short-term goals, like the chapters of a book. Each one tells a part of the story, and together, they lead to the final page. Your long-term goal is the grand finale, the climax of your fitness journey. So, how do you set long-term goals? Start by dreaming big. Imagine the best version of yourself, the ultimate warrior. But remember, even the mightiest warriors must be realistic. Choose a goal that challenges you, but is also achievable. Your long-term goal should be a stretch, but not a strain. Align your short-term goals with your long-term vision. Each small victory should bring you one step closer to your ultimate goal. Each rep, each set, each workout is a stepping stone on your path to greatness. Your long-term goal is your North Star, guiding you through your fitness journey. Like a warrior on a quest, let your fitness vision guide you. Stay focused, stay determined, and most importantly, stay strong, because guys, the war is won one battle at a time. Goal setting is just the first step. The real challenge lies in sticking to them. You've got your short-term and long-term goals, you've visualized your dream physique. Not theirs guys, come on. Yours. It's crucial to stay the course, even when the going gets tough. Your muscles aren't built in a day, but every day you train, you're laying another brick in the castle of your dream physique. To stay motivated, keep track of your progress. Seeing the physical evidence of your hard work can be incredibly inspiring. Celebrate your small wins, like adding another 5 pounds to your bench press, or holding a plank for just a few seconds longer. These tiny victories accumulate and propel you towards your ultimate goal. There will be days when your goals seem out of reach, and that's okay. Adjust them when needed, but never lose sight of your ultimate dream. Remember, every day you train, you're one step closer to your ultimate goal. That wraps up our guide on setting fitness goals, guys. It's time now to take what you've learned and start setting your own fitness goals. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Be realistic, but never stop striving for greatness. Don't forget to subscribe to the Iron Impact channel and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for the third video in our Fast Track to Gains series. Check out the first video in the series by clicking the link in the description. Keep training and keep winning.